no time, be ready when the curtains split. I'm hurting shit, too powerful for painkillers. On the concrete jungle, we walk like trained gorillas. Untamed, and my niggas is Kane. Cool G, Rock him, combined into one frame. We like the new mecca of immaculate rappers. Vinny Paz, Carter Goons, now we back with the clap.
Fez, choky like an Indian res. Kamach, animal Turk, sick with a cannibal smirk. Welcome, this where the murderers lurk. It's my mind to make sure that the sun can work. Scorch bodies, leave all of your gunmen hurt. Pharaoh sultans, create a serious coke jam. And my hand is where the tears of the Pope ran. They stay watching like they keep me on a scope cam. I'm in heaven with the angels and smoke grams. You need God, that's why the earth's so damn. International, trying to get my flow banned. That's cool if I don't kick these prayers. A lot of floods and famines gonna hit these years. Kamachi back on the chapel stairs. Open the clouds, let the thunder clap your ears.
You wanna put your money up, then motherfucker, then put it for your family sanity, man. I wish that you wouldn't. Niggas got nice flows, just don't know where to put it. And I know your whole life your raps are edited footage. And your mixtape niggas couldn't see my plateaus. All up in my presence while y'all acting bashful. King size casting any clip they rap flow. Your little light niggas couldn't feed my shadows. From city to city, intersection to section, but you reflexing. With or without a weapon, I'm always stepping, never scared, but always and forever prepared. Yeah, the ones who drink gas, man, it's revving
now
gears.
rocking with the phallus click in the continent. Total dominance, rise to prominence. In my prime like Optimus, stand in astonishment at this conglomerate and access of evil. I know where Osama is. Like a damn contenders, hundreds of niggas dead left under the river. From the days of slaves to hurricanes in all lanes, see my people's graves floating amongst the waves. There's hell to pay.